Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Festival store in Heartopia Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Festival event update has been released in Heartopia, and if you want to go to the Festival store, you can click on this balloon icon, and then you can select Festival store right here, and you can buy something from the store. You can buy action and then accessories and also clothes, and the store will be refreshed daily guys. Okay, then you can buy something from the store using the Festival token. You can get the token by completing the weekly challenge. Okay, once you complete the challenge, you can claim the tokens here. You can also sell something to Azour to get the Festival token. Azour is at the central square. She's right here, and you can meet Azour to sell something to her, and you will get the Festival token. Okay, I'm going to sell items like this, and I'm going to sell, for example, my romaine lettuce and also my potato chips. Okay, and I just got Festival tokens, and we can use the tokens to buy something from the Festival store. Thank you guys, and that's how we can unlock the Festival store in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.